I'm home now, in my bathroom. If you haven't been here before, then you haven't seen my hair videos. Go check those out now. But welcome to my bathroom, and I'm about ready to dye my hair. I just got this black dye from Dollar Tree because black dye is black dye. And then the girl at Sally's told me to use Manic Panic because in her opinion it was a little bit better than Arctic Fox. So I'm going to try that now. And I got it in the color Ultraviolet. I kind of wanted to stay in this color, but I wanted to see if this one would last a bit more in my root slash front bang area because that seems to just fade so quickly. So like I said, I'm going to dye my hair now. I'm going to do the split hair dye and I'm going to attempt to split it by myself. So this is my hair. As you can see, it's like brownish black on top. I'm really hoping for like a super jet black hair color. And then my purple is just going super crazy. And I really don't like it. So I really want it as vibrant as down here usually is up here. Let's get splitting. First, usually what I do is split this way. If you haven't seen my video, I'll link it in the card above. But we're gonna start the same way. Ta-da! I know that there's probably a lot of black down, but I don't care about being too precise at this moment. It's either going to be dyed purple or it's going to be dyed black. But we're going to go in with Manic Panic first, and then I'm going to dye the black on top and go from there. I like dyeing them at the same time because I found a method where the black doesn't bleed over top, so it just saves some time. I didn't want a super dark purple just because, well, I was debating getting a super dark purple because I'm liking more of like the darker side these days versus like lighter colors. But I also didn't want the purple to kind of be forgotten with the black, if that makes sense. I still wanted it to be very much in your face, you know? The girl at Sally said one little tube would be enough. I hope she's right, because I really like to saturate my hair to help not miss anything. So far, it's okay. Tell me which one you guys like more, Arctic Fox or Manic Panic, and tell me why in the comments below. I feel like my hair videos are my most popular videos. I'm not really sure. I mean, I know like at-home hair stuff is pretty popular. I've learned a lot doing my own hair over the years. This reminds me of like what Brad Mondo's trying to do, where you just dip your fingers in it or your brush in it. It's working just fine for me. Alright, you never know until you wash it out, but I think we got the purple down and massaged in. I'm going to change gloves and get ready with the black. She was right. I think I only used half a container of this Manic Panic, which is pretty nice. Next step is the hair on top. To do this, I usually use a clip, dye one little piece at a time, and clip it down until it's on top. So let's get started. Alright, we're done shaking. Now, tie my hair up like this. What I like to do is dye the top perimeter around the whole thing so that when I do section by section, I don't have to worry about it at the end. So, that's what we're going to do now. That's the first step. My hair. Okay. Okay, once we do that, we can take this hair out and then take one section So I clip it like this, and then I start dyeing this hair. Once I'm satisfied with that, I will take my rubber band on this side and tie it up. Or you can take another clip and tie it up. My arms hurt. But I will prevail. And there you have it, the secret to split hair dyeing your hair. When I rinse it off and stuff, I rinse off the black first, make sure it runs just a little bit clear, and then I rinse off the purple with my head upside down so the purple runs through the black, versus vice versa where the black would run through the purple. I feel like that's where most of the damage starts to happen if you do that, because the black is a lot harsher than the purple, so it could bleed into the purple, which I try to avoid. So upside down, black first, then purple. And if it comes to your own colors, do the same method, just your own colors. Although if you had black on bottom and blonde on top, I would do it the opposite way. You know what I'm saying? This is the new color. I love it so much. This was exactly what I was hoping for. The black is really nice and black, which I love. But the purple underneath, you can still see it. It's still vibrant. Oh, but it's such a nice, richer purple. It's not as pinky toned as the other one was. And Manic Panic, I'm really impressed with it so far. It's just so beautiful. I love this color. Look at that contrast. That is just so pretty. I love that. This is exactly what I was looking for. I am so happy with how this turned out. I didn't do anything to my hair. I just blow dried it. It feels great. It's so pretty. I love it.